Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. I'm Haeryong. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to make stir-fried pork belly with bell peppers. I'm gonna use these ingredients. This dish is, again, very simple, quick, and easy. Let's get started. They say it has 200 grams, and I found this green bell pepper from Japan. In Japanese, we say piman, and these are the seasonings for today. This one today is a very simple one: lemon juice and cooking sake and salt. So this is going to be very refreshing one. We are going to cut the green bell peppers. I washed them already. Yeah, we cut the bell peppers into half and use the thumb. Cut the green bell peppers in half, remove the seeds and stem, slice them thinly. Next, we are going to cut the pork belly into thin stripes. Cut the pork bellies, cut the bell peppers, so we are going to stir fry them.
Turn on the heat. Add the cooking oil. Add the pork belly and cook. When the pork belly are cooked, add the bell peppers. Then sprinkle the salt. Add the cooking sake. Add some fresh lemon juice. Finally, add a dash of black pepper for some extra kick.
Today we made stir-fried pork belly with the bell peppers. Today's dish is not Korean dish, but it goes well with the spicy Korean other dishes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please do not forget like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. See you next time. 사랑해요.